be showing you how to ollie. Got stick, got 27.5, premium bearing, premium trucks, and some wheels that I have no idea what they are. Chip back, very, very bad back. Tail, I mean, I feel so stupid for saying that, but oh well. Back to learning how to ollie. So this is what an ollie looks like if you idiots do not know this. Sorry for calling you idiots. If you don't know what an ollie looks like and you skate, you're kind of like weird. That's an ollie. Sorry, I don't skate in shoes. Just while the shoes pain to get on. But what you want to do, I don't know if you guys can see this, but so you want to have your foot. Just grab the camera. So you want to have your foot about right there. See the hardware? You want to have your foot right underneath the hardware and kind of at an angle, so it's like that. And you're going to put your back foot, mine's shift, so that's how I know which one's my back. I just take my back foot and I put it like just my toes on it like this. So yeah. And then all you got to do, so you have that. So you just skate around. So you're going to press down really hard that back leg. Put that back leg actually. Then you're going to take your front foot, you're going to slide it up. Whoops. Slide up to the second pair of hardware and then just back down. So slide up and then down. And then so you can just like do this. This is a good way to practice. Go like this. Sorry. Up. Slide up. And then just try and do that fast, fast, fast. As fast as you can, you know. And then you should be able to get it. And what you always want to do, you want to drop down. When you ollie, you want to drop down, jump. Sorry, that was actually a bad shot, but you guys back on the stair. And so yeah, just put all those motions in together. Like foot to bottom of hardware, front corner toes at the end of the board, tail, go that, that, and that. And then pretty much you just teabag the board. Teabag. So yeah, put that all in fast motion. And there you go. It's still an ollie.